Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of sea moss and uncovering its amazing benefits. This humble seaweed is packed with essential nutrients and health benefits that I use. From boosting my immune system to promoting healthy skin, sea moss is a powerhouse. If you're looking for natural ways to enhance your well-being, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Sea moss is a natural immune booster packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help strengthen your body's defenses. Struggling with digestion? Sea moss's high fiber content promotes a healthy gut and can significantly help regulate your digestion process. Sea moss is one of the best natural sources of iodine, a crucial mineral for maintaining thyroid health and function. Promotes healthy skin. Sea moss isn't just for eating. Its vitamins and minerals nourish and rejuvenate your skin. Enhances energy levels. Feeling sluggish? Sea moss's nutrients naturally boost energy levels and combat fatigue. Sea moss helps you feel fuller longer, aiding in weight management. Rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, sea moss supports cardiovascular health. Sea moss contains potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can effectively target and reduce inflammation throughout the entire body. Sea moss is a natural source of collagen, a vital protein that strengthens your joints and connective tissues. Believe it or not, sea moss contains essential nutrients that support brain health, improving mental clarity and focus. Sea moss acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to remove harmful toxins, impurities, and heavy metals from your body. Sea moss can work wonders for your respiratory system, helping to clear mucus and support overall lung health naturally. Promotes healthy hair. Want luscious locks? Sea moss is packed with vitamins and minerals to promote healthy hair growth. Balances hormones. Sea moss helps balance your body by supporting and regulating healthy hormone levels. Sea moss enhances libido and improves various aspects of sexual health, not to mention your love mojo. Sea moss is packed with calcium and magnesium, essential for building strong and healthy bones. Sea moss improves blood circulation, enhancing cardiovascular health. Looking for a natural metabolism booster? Sea moss can help fire up your metabolism and assist in weight management. Sea moss provides essential vitamins and minerals our bodies need to thrive. With its countless benefits, it's no surprise that sea moss is a powerhouse for supporting overall health, wellness, and vitality. And there you have it, 20 amazing benefits of sea moss. From boosting immunity to promoting healthy skin, this seaweed is a must-have for enhancing well-being naturally. Incorporate sea moss into your routine by adding it to smoothies, soups, or taking it as a supplement. We hope you enjoyed learning about sea moss. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. There should be a like on this video to find out where to find sea moss. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.